this is Aimon again, and I'm here with another one of my looks. I went for a gothic makeup look this time. I hope you like it. First off, I'm starting with obviously a foundation. I prepped my face off camera. I used aloe vera gel. I'm using the Miss Rose foundation in beige 2 here. Although this looks light for my skin, but it works for me since it oxidizes. So this next part of my makeup routine is obviously contouring, and I like to use a special hack for this. I'm using Medora lipstick in the shade brown, and I am contouring my cheekbones and my nose and my forehead and my jawline with it. I learned this nose contouring technique on Instagram somewhere, and this is the first time that I'm trying it. Let's see if it works out for me. And here I go. Ta-da! And that is how my face looks contoured. Next up, I'm using Miss Rose's eyebrow palette for my eyeshadow. I used the lighter shade for my base, and then I'm going in with a darker brown to deepen the outer corners of my eyelid. Then I'm using the Badass Rude Girl palette and using the black color in it to deepen my outer corners and give depth to my eyeshadow. Then I'm carving my lid out with a concealer, and I'm using the same palette and a shimmer shade, which is a silvery shimmer shade, and packing it all over my lid. Next, I'm using the Cleof Ultra Pigmented Glitter palette, and oh my god guys, this looks so good. I'm almost done with my eyeshadow, and now I'm going in with a Miss Rose cake liner. I'm spraying it with a makeup fixture to activate it and also to make sure that it doesn't come off if I sweat, because this makeup fixture is apparently waterproof. I am just gently and carefully applying my eyeliner onto my lids. I'm just starting off by applying it really close to my upper lash line, and I'm making sure that I go in small strokes so that I do not go wrong with it. Now once I am done outlining my upper lash line, I am just taking that end and extending it towards the end of my eyebrow. Now usually I do not apply my eyeliner this way. I create a straight line starting from my lower lash line and ending all the way up towards my brow, but I don't know why I just went in with this technique this time. Turns out that it worked pretty well. I happen to be an eyeliner pro, as I like to call myself. So yeah, I could handle eyeliner, all sorts of them. Anyways, even if I do mess up, I just clean the wing and everything turns out to be okay. I keep looking at my eyeliner from a distance to make sure that the angle and everything is according to the way that I want it. I do not quite like the way that the eyeliner looked here, and I just felt like something was missing, so I went in with a smaller brush and just, created that sharp eyeshadow wing. I also deepened the upper lid in order to deepen my cut crease. I did my under eye makeup off camera, and I also did this other eye and went in for a cool transition. My eye makeup is done and it looks so good, at least to me, you guys. I am so proud of this. Next, I went in with this crayon blush that I created myself at home, and it really is my go-to blush, and I just prefer it over all other blushes, even though I have like a dozen of them. I just don't know why. I wish the look appeared on camera the way that it did in real life. Like, it looked so good. Next, I am outlining my lips with kohl, using the same eyeliner brush that I used for my eyeliner. I have absolutely no idea how safe this is for my lips, but it works for me, so yeah. Next, I am going in with this matte liquid lipstick. This is my favorite red color of all time. I mean, would you just look at that gorgeous color? I am so in love with it. Transition alert, transition alert, transition alert, and ta-da! How do you like that? I love this t-shirt so much. It is velvet and all that sparkle. Also, I love how the final look turned out. This has so many gothic vibes to it, and I just rocked it, didn't I? Anyway, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.